Here's a question about what if our parents are reluctant to set these things up? And by these things, they were talking about general estate planning and most likely a revocable living trust. Well, we can all lead a horse to water, can't make them drink, if you've heard that before. But the reality is, oftentimes as parents get older, they will rely more on one or more of their children to help them make informed decisions. So the first step would be to try to talk with mom and dad, let them know what will happen to the children, what will happen to their money if things have to go through probate, and that by burying their head in the sand and not agreeing to plan their estate properly, all they're doing is wasting time and money after their passing. Sometimes they may say like, well, screw it, I'll be dead then, you guys deal with it. And if you have one of them parents, sorry, can't really help you. But the other thing you can do is convince your parent to at least sign a really strong, durable power of attorney. And that would, in many states and in many cases, allow you to do some planning, including trust planning for them. Now, this is a slippery slope. You don't want to start doing things behind their back without letting them know, even though legally you're entitled and have the authority to do it. As long as you're not breaching your fiduciary duty and you're doing things that are in the best interest of your parent, legally you're okay. But again, pissing them off is a bad idea because they'll take away your power of attorney and they'll cut you out of their will or trust, and then you haven't really accomplished much. But talk to a qualified elder law attorney. Oftentimes people tell me, there's no way my parents are going to listen to you. They're old, they're stubborn, and they don't listen to anybody, and they're not going to do anything. And I say, listen, just invite them to one of my seminars. Tell them that a friend told you about it and it's really great, and we give away a free toaster or something, which we don't do. But if we did, you could just tell them to come on in. If we can get a hold of them, oftentimes I can get people in a very short period of time that have been reluctant to do their estate plan, and after talking to me or attending one of my seminars, we end up settling a plan up for them in relatively short order. So try to talk to them, maybe go around them with the power of attorney, but if you do nothing else, try to get them in front of an attorney that can talk to them and explain to them the advantages of planning and how that can help save time and money, and most importantly, give more of their stuff down to their children and maybe keep them from writing 20 grand a month in a nursing home bill, but that's another video. Get them to an attorney. The attorney should do a good job of convincing them that planning is not a terrible thing. Have a great day.